Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I have a Bud Light and Clamato Chelada. Ron Terrio did a beer examination of this last week with Bill, William, and Jose. Jose's the brew dude. I missed it. I had stuff going on, so I didn't get to do it with them. I watched most of the video that the guys did, and I tried to take some notes. Yeah, this is actually, I read this one. This is the one they did, the regular Budweiser in the Clamato. Yeah, the Bud Light is the one they did last week that I missed. So I wanted to go ahead and do it. Like this one here, which I didn't notice until it was too late, you're supposed to rotate these so that it mixes. It says don't shake them, but just rotate them gently. Because when I didn't do it and I poured it out, it was thinner. It wasn't a deeper red like it's supposed to be. So yeah, you're supposed to rotate it. So this is the Bud Light Chelada. Bud Light and Clamato Chelada. Bud Light with beer with natural flavor and certified color. And it is 3.2% by weight. Well, it says alcohol content. Not more than 3.2% by weight. Is that the same as this one said? No, this one was different. See, so this one here was 4% ABV and 3.2% ABW. This one says, let's see. Yeah, this one's a little different. It doesn't say that on this one. It just says content not more than 3.2% ABW. So, contains shellfish and clams, which I didn't know that until after the examination. So I learned something there. So this is a 25 fluid ounce can. So I think I rotated it good enough. All right, let's get into this. And of course, it's going to be a tight tab here. All right. Ooh, got a little foaming action there. It stopped. Okay. Oh. Check out that action going on in there. It's a little lively. I'm getting a good whiff of the tomato. Yeah. All right. The head is kind of a pinkish or kind of a kind of pulpy. Kind of looks like I just poured some either V8 or tomato juice. Huh. All right, get that adjusted back. You got some carbonation going on in there. Let's see. And I do notice some pulp on there. The guys were talking about seeing some tomato pulp on the sides, and I'm seeing that too. And I don't know, I guess that may be a little pieces of the clam from the clam broth in there too. There's still a few little bubbles on top. Not many. Yeah, the carbonation is a little aggressive in there. And William compared it to a whale shooting out water out of his blowhole. I can kind of see what he means there. All right. Let's see. William was talking about that the aroma was a little lighter from last week. Yeah, I mean it's not as heightened, you know. It's not as strong. I agree. I smell most of the tomato juice. A little bit of the clam broth. Maybe a little bit of the beer. It's kind of hidden though, mostly by the tomato juice. All right, let's see what we got here. Tomato juice, of course. Carbonation from the drinking is a light. It's I got that. See, on the other one, I got like a black pepper type character, and I'm getting that in this. I'm getting it, but it's not as strong as it was last week. Whenever I used to drink tomato juice, a lot of times I would actually put black pepper, sprinkle some in there. My dad did the same thing. I haven't had just regular tomato juice in quite some time, but that's what I used to do. Let's see. Let's see. Tomato or beer aroma, more of. Yeah, the tomato juice is a little bit more heightened in this. They eased back on some of the other stuff and then made other things more strong, I guess. Yeah, the carbonation is lighter on the taste, or on the mouthfeel. Yeah, and the spicy. That black pepper's on the palate right now. It leaves, you know, that the tomato taste is kind of lingering around there. Let's see. Let's see if I'm getting any lime here. A little bit. And I'm getting a little bit of the clam taste. Not as much as last week, or the week before. See, body texture. Yeah, I think the body texture is lighter. It being a Bud Light, that may have something to do with it. Yeah, I'm getting the beer a little bit. What does it pair with? The The guys were talking about grilled cheese the week before. I agree with that, because whenever my wife makes grilled cheese sandwiches, we always have tomato soup, and it always goes good with it. So yeah, I think that, or maybe other seafood like shrimp or scallops. I would probably be able to eat a burger with this myself. I like ketchup on my burgers. I like I like ketchup and tomatoes. I like tomatoes on my burger. So I bet this would be good with that. My wife says I'd eat a burger with anything. That's probably about right. I'd eat a burger with my cereal if I wanted to. Yeah, that's very good. I like this. Wanted to mention something I saw tonight on a commercial. There was a commercial showing Tecate and Tecate Light. I don't know if anybody's heard of a Tecate Light or not. That's the first time I'd ever heard of it. So that's out there somewhere. I'd like to get a hold of that out of curiosity. And let's see. One other thing, I had 2 new subscribers, Making It Grain and Clemens Lum. So I appreciate you guys subscribing. So I am going to end it there. It's a little bit longer video because I'm trying to compare these two. But I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right.